In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Notion template. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account, in the selected workspace, what we're going to do is we're going to simply scroll down in here. And when you scroll down, as you can see, we have this section new page that is under recently visited. So you simply click new page in here, and this will then direct you to the interface of the new page wherein you can add a database or start your journaling or note taking in here. Since we're talking about utilizing templates, on the bottom part of the screen, you can see in here multiple options, which is under get started with. We simply go to templates in here, and this will then direct you to the discover section wherein you can discover various templates that you can use. You simply scroll down and you can see the featured templates in here. You can see all the templates that you might find applicable to your goal or agenda in Notion. Let's say for this video, we'll be utilizing to-do list. You simply click this. You simply click add. And now, as you can see, this will now be automatically added to the list of private documents that you have in Notion, and you can now utilize this specific template. And that's about it. That's how to use a Notion template. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.